We don't want to do things to be absolutely recognized or approved by others. We do things because we love it, and we love it this way. Angulane is a small operation by my brother G and me in Hong Kong, building custom motorcycles and also having a complete line of apparel. Hong Kong is an international city, definitely. Hong Kong is a lot about food. You can find almost any food you want. Chinese culture, Chinese food from every area of China and also from everywhere in the world. It's a big mix of everything because there is a big mix of people. When we take a motorcycle, we generally strip the bike, keep the wheels, the frame, the engine, then we start from here. We try to make the bikes quite raw and just straight to the point. We don't like to put much shit on it. It has to be raw, wild, and let's ride. We basically build the bike that we would love to ride. G will take care of the first draft for the bikes. I will do the first draft for the garments. We both decide, like this we're able to work together. Our style is to try to find something that will last and then that will not become out of trend because we are not in trend. The cut is simple, the fabric is beautiful, the workmanship is excellent. All the lining is also at the highest quality possible. The denim is from Japan. We don't have one market for all the fabric. We try just to find the best possible anywhere. As long as we have our design the way we want, it's about managing people to do the workmanship. We are not ashamed of doing anything here. We probably have better quality than many places in Europe or US. So game on, guys.